today. And what is it, Elizabeth?
Big Bird.
Yes, and do you like your costume? And we're going to go upstairs and show it to Nana.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second because my battery just went down. I gotta put another battery in, okay? Smile. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, now you stay there. I'll tell you when to come up, alright? Okay? Alright, now wait a second. Okay, Elizabeth, Nana wants to see you. Come on up.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I want to see you.
No, keep them closed.
Okay, I have my eyes closed. You sure I'll know who it is?
Ta-da!
Can I open my eyes now?
Yeah.
Oh, look at her. Doesn't she know? Elizabeth.
I'm Big Bird.
You're wonderful. Turn around, I see in the back. Oh, look at her. Oh,
I'm going to be Big Bird for Halloween now.
I think that's a very good idea. Oh, you look wonderful. Oh, nobody will know who it is. They'll say, what are these birds doing in this neighborhood? I just love it. I really do.
And I tell them I'm Big Bird.
Oh, I just love it. I really do.
I want some more chips.
Alright, I'll give you some in a minute. Let's practice how we're going to trick or treat, Elizabeth.
Show me how. I got the bag and
Elizabeth, look, come here. Show us how you're going to practice. Knock on the door here and I'll let you in.
I want some more chips.
Okay, well, wait a second. Knock on the door and
You're
practice.
going to break that, honey. No.
Elizabeth, practice.
Trick or treat.
Yeah, knock on the door.
Who's there?
Hello, who's this?
Who is it?
Big Bird.
Oh, Big Bird. Okay, let me get some candy.
On Harvey Avenue.
Here's some candy.
I'll take this one.
And you say thank you.
Thank you for the candy.
Very good. Very good. Did she pick this out?
I thought of it.
Oh, I love it. I really love it.
I want some more chips. I want some more chips.
Oh, that is really a nice.
I want some more chips. I want some more chips.